If you see access is denied messages on your Windows 10 when trying to access a file or folder, we will walk you through the steps to resolve this. In the majority of cases, you will need to be an administrator on your PC to make changes to the file or folder ownership. To check your account type, you just have to go to Settings, click Accounts, check the User Profile section, and you will see an administrator tag if the account has administrator rights. Now another fix is to take ownership of the folder through the File Explorer. Do that by right-clicking the folder or file in question, and then select Properties. Then switch to the Security tab, click the Advanced option for more options. At the top of the next window, you will see a field labeled Owner. Now this will likely say Unable to display current owner if you're having an issue. But if there's none, click the blue Change link. Then inside this, in the Enter the Object Name to Select box, type the account name of the new folder owner, hit Check Names, then click OK. And lastly, double-check your antivirus software. Take a look around your antivirus program settings and see if there's an option like a file shield, ransom protection, or similar. Now you have to try disabling this and then attempt to access the file again. And those are the following fixes if you're having the same issue, your folder errors in your Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.